Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I received a box from Ebony, my girl Ebony, who is the crafty girl here on YouTube, and she is also the Rosette Guru on Instagram. And I believe we've got some happy mail. Let's see. Okay, I just cut it open, so let's get into it. Oh yes, bubble wraps, baby. Yes, yes, yes. Bing bop, boom bop. Oh my God. She shared this Donald Duck and Daisy with me. It's a goodie bag. Oh my God, I love this bag. Oh yes. You're sweet. This is cute. Little goodie cup. Yes. Oh my gosh, I love it. I love it. Look at the lips. Got the lips and the donuts. Super sweet. Thank you, Ebs. She also shared some goodies with me. We've got some bows with the conversation hearts. Oh, yeah, yes. And she also shared more of the conversation heart trim. I was out of, I think I used up the last of that one. And also, oh yeah, let me take these out. Oh, what is this? This is a little surprise goodie. Oh yes, Star Wars. No way. We've got Chewbacca, R2-D2, Darth Vader. Oh no, is that Darth Vader? No, that's the spaceship. Oh my gosh. Yes, girl, yes. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And then, oh yes. Look, okay. She sent me this beautiful folder. Hello Kitty and friends. How cute. We got Kuromi, my melody, and Hello Kitty. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at the inside. Oh my God, this is so cute. We got Batsumaru and we got Pom Pom Pudding. And on this side, this pocket. Oh, you guys can't see. I'm sorry. Let me show you. So, let me zoom out a little bit. So we got Batsumaru, Pom Pom, My Melody, Hello Kitty, Kuromi, the twin stars, Kiki and Lala. And then we got Kuropi. How cute. Oh my gosh, they have the whole gang. Oh, that is super cute. I love it. They got the names on them. Kuromi, Kuropi, My Melody, Hello Kitty, Batsumaru, little twin stars. Thank you, Ebs. Thank you, thank you. Okay, so she also sent her gorgeous wand, you guys. Oh my God. This baby is humongous. Wow. This is so cute. Oh, I love it. She has the spiderweb die to make the rosettes. Very cool. I love it, love it, love it, love it. But I think if I remember correctly, she said it was a nightmare to crease these little itty bitty spiderweb lines. So there we go. There is our beautiful rosette with her chunky spider on there. She's got the black and white bow. I love it. Oh my gosh, with the pink bow on top. This is her bows. She made these bows. And then you got Eek on there with the teeny tiny spider. And she's got some spider webs back here. Oh my gosh, look at this, look at this. Her wand, she wrapped this with some lace, some black lace. How beautiful. Love it. You can see it back there. So pretty. Ebs, this is gorgeous. Okay. Yeah, this was when we hosted a Halloween swap. And we did the Dollar Tree buckets. Let me move these over so we can see it better. There we go. Can we see it? Can we see it? Okay, let's get that. There we go. So she sent me her, what's it called? The popcorn buckets from Dollar Tree. And you'll see what I mean when I get this open. Thank you, Ebony. yes, she was so kind to make me one because I loved what she was creating. Oh my gosh. And I can't get it open. There we go. Like literally, it's tissue, Eileen. Oh yes, look at this bad boy. Oh yes, and you'll see why. See, look at this gorgeousness. She's got some star eyelets here on the sides. Oh my gosh. And then she covered all the sides. Look at this. This was a mistake. She didn't mean to do that, but look at how lovely. She printed this on her from her computer. So sorry. Skeletons, witches, bats, spooky. This was one of the prints. And then she also printed the spider web by mistake. She wanted it to be back and front, but look at how gorgeous that looks. See that? And see the inside? So you can see the, if you use a double-sided paper, you could just cover the outside and you can see what's on the opposite side. I love this. So the thing that really sold me was this is what she did with her popcorn box, okay? The spider webs. This is a KS Craft die. It's a spider web mini album. But check this out. Hold on, because we got little spider webs from the glue gun. She made a shaker and it opens like this. Isn't that beautiful? And look at, she used the spider webs on the inside. Oh, this is the, it feels like the, you know, the cotton spider webs that we all use for Halloween. She's added a coffin here, a resin coffin. I think that one's from Carmen Q Crafts. And then she's got the flower arrangements around the Polaroid frame. We've got our little skelly guy here. Yes, yes, yes. And this part, this is amazing. This is the shaker. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Oh my gosh, she did an amazing job. So a part of this swap that we hosted, you were supposed to add in the embellishments. Look at her rosette. She did a black and pink, beautiful scallop rosette. And then she used the Dollar Tree tubing. I love her textures, her combinations. Look at this, beautiful. Oh my gosh. And it's upside down. So she used some, what is this called? A mesh. Some glitter mesh. And then we've got a spider web and it's got little gemmies on there. We've got the bat going. And then on top of the bat is a spider. Like, this is just gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Yes. Oh, there it is. That is why there is a little gem. She's got the spider. Oh, this is so beautiful. Look at it, it's just dangling. And it looks like her, what's it called? Monofilament. It's super thin. Holy cow, girl. Wow. And this thing is heavy, but it's holding on. How beautiful. Okay, so that's one embellishment. She also included, oh yeah, and there's also supposed to include a Memdex. Look at this. It got a little squishy, but it's okay because it's more authentic. This spider web tool that she's got on the background is just catching my eye. There's that misprint again. I love it. I don't even want to call it a misprint because it's beautiful. And then she's got her chunky rosette back here. The little bat die cut. Oh my gosh, so many layers. And this is the KS Craft spider web also. Embellishments. So she cut it out of 3 colors. There's black, white, and pink glitter cardstocks. All 3 of them. And then she's got her little cricket spider. So cute with the little fangs. Oh my gosh. So much detail, you guys. It's so beautiful. And then here's the back with that gorgeous color. I mean, print. Love it. Love it. And there's a Memdex. So here is her second embellishment. Again, with the pink and the black. Oh, gosh, this is so beautiful. Oh, this one did break. But you get the idea. I don't know how in the world she even did that. That is so crazy. But, you know, you get the gist. Super, super tiny. So she had the same embellishment layout. Love it. I'm going to have to fix that because this thing is beautiful. But there is our bucket. That was the whole concept. This was the main part of the swap, was to get one of those Dollar Tree buckets, decorate it, and put all your goodies in there. So imagine our little wand in here with our Memdex also in there. And then you've got your embellishment pieces also in there. Just gorgeous, you know? Know what I'm saying? Oh, it's top heavy. But this is beautiful. Oh my gosh, you guys. Go and check out Ebony, who is The Crafty Girl here on YouTube. Look at how beautiful that ensemble is. It's so beautiful. Yes, and check her out on Instagram if you're interested. She does carry cabochons and beautiful beads also, and also acrylics like these, Star Wars. And if you're extra nice and ask her for specific things, maybe she can look for it for you. But she also makes her wonderful rosettes, so the Rosette Guru, these little things right here. Usually they're all dazzled up and themed and beautiful, but you could special order it. You just got to give her some time to make them, and then yeah. Whew. So guys, thank you, Ebs, for my gorgeous happy mail. I appreciate you, my friend. Thank you so much. And yeah, there it is. If you're new here, welcome. Hit the subscribe button, join our crafty family. And while you're there, hit the notification bell. That will let you know when I load a new video like this or when I go live here on my channel. So thank you again for watching. Please thumbs up this video and check out Ebony here on YouTube and on Instagram. I will leave her links in the description box down below. And I'll see you all next time. Bye.